to create, or rather integrate, a ChatGPT messaging application. So I'm not here to recreate the whole chatting system, but I'm here to guide you on how you can incorporate a ChatGPT module into your existing application. So here I've added some two things. One, the text to speech, and also the speech to text kind of module. So that is what I'm going to show you, how you can plug it into your existing application. Yeah. So I'm not here to build a new fancy ChatGPT application for Android or for iOS, but just to guide you on how to implement it into your current project. So let's assume maybe you may be having some QA kind of application and you want to integrate ChatGPT inside it so that it can help you quick respond to your audiences. Well, if that suits your case, go for this package. All right. So I've added this kind of introduction to this text here. When this application launches, it utters this text right here. So let me hot restart so that it plays it. Okay, restarting. Station done.
My name is Optimus Prime, and this message is to my creators. Leave planet Earth alone, because I'm coming for you.
Alright, so that is it. So if it is instantiated here, it just picks the text, this text here. Alright, concerning the packages I've used here, I use provider, the provider package, and I've also used the text to speech package and also the speech to text package. Alright, so some definition of what we have here: text controller. We also have here scroll controller, just to ensure our charts control we scroll it smoothly. So here's the main page. Alright, so we have here the speak function. It's just to speak the current value, the current text, the current string text that is passed to it. That is that. We also have here test the ChatGPT. So this is where we get the response from the ChatGPT. Get the response from the user, that is this from the user. We add it to the chat here, and also we wait for the response from the ChatGPT API here by creating this. And also after waiting it, after the message arrives, we get that first message from the choices and then adds it to the to the chat message here as the second person that is chatting with you, that is. And then of course we clear any duplicate just in case there is. And of course if we have an error, we print it there, and we at least try to scroll to the last message that has just entered into the page, and then we clear the text input field. And for listening, we have here listen here. While it is listening, while it is not listening, we instantiate it. And of course, if we have a value here, we assign it to the text field controller, and also we stop listening. And that is it. If we call this method here, test chat, that is above there, it will automatically text that what has just been listened. So you don't have to push send to listen. So that is all about this video. So let's test it and see how it goes. So here you have hello.
Hi there, how can I help you?
Now that's fine. Of course, so you can also replay it here.
Hi there, how can I help you?
All right, and then let's test this speech to text. Hello. So it didn't catch it right. Let's try again. Hello. listening down here. Let's send it.
Hi there, how can I help you?
Alright, so that's pretty much about it. So you can clone the project from the GitHub and of course mess around with it and see how it goes. So I want to push it right now to Git, but before I push it, of course I'm going to remove my key here. So I'm going to remove my key there, go to GitHub and push it so that you can get it. Put the link to the link of the GitHub in the description of the video. Please subscribe so that you can get more cool stuff on Android development specifically, and some 1, 2 on Django and Laravel. Yeah.